Katanat District Transport Officer is Khasi Hill District, Hakajingat Ray Rengkat Katanat District Administration and Police Department Kalashim Yakalat Ben Ajing Hikaya Kenonya Kali on observance of National Road Safety Month Arhajar Arpusau Kabalasdang Men Hakakat Arterik Hadu Mentakasngi Kakat Sauterik Urampang Arhajar Arpusau Bat Kalapoi Ru Sya Kabakut Da Kabalapenlong Yakajing Yalang Hapaking Lot Badon Persya ka SBI Main Branch Office Shillong. Hakani kasengi ladon lang Presiden Kinongnya Kali Government Bak Sis Imli Uke Rochal na katanat Polis Penyet Kali ka Shillong Kakong R.M Kurbah Dc Jong ka East Khasi Hill District.
Discipline. Kaya kata disiplin. Kaya kata disiplin. Disiplin kadai ka jingkai ban ko ngu. Yo, ka jingkai. Disiplin kadai ka jingkai ban ko ngu. Ban ko ngu ya no. Ban ko ngu. Apa finya kali ni ko ngu yutu traffic bo punya jadi kali apa tam. Ni ibon bah tam ia po asal jengi the traffic day by day ke increase ke traffic jam. Habang ilap banyak kali ni dan apa ke lain sebabnya kadang ke lain banyak ulang ni dan follow betul ulang. Rengi pat ni jua ke overtake. Lalu orang tu no overtaking, no U-turn, no overtake, no U-turn, no parking. We all lack of discipline. When we see this word discipline, but we all lack of discipline because when we don't follow the rule as per given by the police department or the transport department. That's why we lack of discipline. The discipline kali kapag insulto, yang kau ngak kali ujung ujung pi, kau orang tu bangga ibon di Briew, banyak kali, lalu apa? Wajib penonton ya ke mobile phone per banyak kali. Don't use your mobile phone while you're driving. But nowadays people they're so smart, they don't bother. What are the from the traffic from the transport department, the rule and regulation, they don't bother. They don't listen. Ipenonkan your phone, use your phone banyak kali. Yang tu kajing use your phone, kelam bakla. Nomor pi, that you can phone, that you can phone, kan dah sebut kat jong sini. Badai warna silang seka phone, silang seka stroke. Kamu fokus su stroke. Yang tu kami kajing bakla, kajing terbak, kajing accident.
To create the awareness about the safety on the roads for the drivers and the user itself. What we have experienced that in every year there are thousands of precious lives are lost due to the road accidents and many of them they sustain the fatal injuries. The reason behind it is the reckless driving, speed, over speaking, and many speakers they have all attributed that the respect, they are not respecting the each other rights. They are asserting themselves that they are only the one who are paying.
But hindi ban le kaya ka. But bonsin ni siyamba habang imi na iyan ni siya ni klan ni let's come. And shubu menta lada pi ya chrum sheneng kala jaya ngaru shisen bangadang tresha block po bangawan pai na penursla ngayo i yewe Briew hangte halai mer sha hit and run mo kini ki highway ki bon ha ki cases of hit and run nga request ki pait ba kat kum kaan balapan mi nak Supreme Court Bapila ban live kita gi Briew. Okay, ki good Samaritan. Please help people. Lada few ki bagi accident halan tisengken. What iaki kumto? What yelam miet ka shon mobile ban post sa Facebook na ban spread the wild like you know pelong viral ya ka. The first step kum responsible citizen kalong ba pinphone ya ka 108 lane lada pidon ka kali please help pila ban save life namar ba lada dang day iti golden hour hapo si kanta dang la ban Iarap yaitu Briew ban panpoy siya po hospital ban yo ya kajing Iarap Tela delay lanang lose ya ka snam jang itu ibreu tela nang tela nang duna kataka jingkermen ba in light im. Tis ngo bha wat tiang yo piong bahap lek syakut ba yo hap ban hajir hakut kamdan kung bata pila ban shi one drop because it has happened to me kalang lajang ngaklam syakot hang no hanoru but snow bha ban ra gitu ki ba yo accident hasurong live ki wood ra ekishan hospital kenang bakila ban yo jinyaram kata kadi ka request na kaliang ka jonga matakas ngi na marangas nga lay ibon bahagi Briew kistanat ban shim yagi video ban posiki te kani Iarap hi ban nam tau tu bala accident Iarap ro ya ndrei kisulong tang ban yo yatho khana ban yo ban lornimo ndrei ka bang ikwa mangi pede kalong bas o ha para ban siam ni dei ban kloy ban Iarap. I appeal to all people whenever they see